你好，恭喜发财，狗年快乐. This year is dog year. Today is on the 3rd of the Chinese New Year, but I'm eager to go back to my office to share something with you. Lego Mandarin, the course introduction for 2018. Share we know the best and the best we know. This is me, the founder of the Lego Mandarin and educational video course. How do I start the Lego? Why Lego? Because something like Lego game, especially Chinese language, like the building block put together, this is Chinese. Like this one. 我很高兴. 我很高兴. I very happy. English, I am very happy. But Chinese is 我很高兴. I very happy. Lit means literature, direct translation. Our approach is to divide Chinese language into the teaching blocks, so we can reorganize the blocks into the teaching modules to meet the requirements of individualized learning, especially for the foreigner who take the Mandarin as a secondary language. This is very important. I created Lego system in 2006. So after that, I read the Lego.com, Mandarin.com, and Lego Mandarin.com. Very quickly, I received a lawyer letter from the Lego Corporation. So, I respect them. I never let the Lego Mandarin.com alive, but I keep Lego Mandarin.com on. I have 22 years of Mandarin teaching experience and corporate training. My students all over the world. So my various background, IT and business, enable me to provide a unique approach to teach. My passion in online education makes me to create more educational video. I call it Edu. Here is our principal students record and the comments from my YouTube channel. This is my research and presentation. 2012 in Beijing 师范大学 Beijing Normal University. 2013 in Hong Kong University. This is my grandfather, who is writer and publisher for textbook. I'm happy to carry our business, our family business, after my grandfather passed away almost 10 years. Aiming bigger and achieve bigger. We welcome more teachers to join our platform to deliver the best you know to students at the easier, fast, and cheapest way. We believe that step-by-step teaching works, so we aim high but take the foot on the ground. We will do something step by step. So we take the groundbreaking approach to develop the teaching system, educational video. The Edu is combine the textbook, audio, video, and teacher's knowledge know-how together into a single video. Then we combine the video into a complete course. We call Edu course. Course features. Edu course features. Systemic way of teaching. Structured knowledge. Topic oriented. So best teachers know-how explanations. Edu course summary. Initially, we started with the Lego Mandarin, so take Chinese as the second language for foreigner. And more Chinese course on the following topic like HSK, Speak Chinese, GCSE, IB, blah blah blah. and more the topic-oriented vocabularies, and 1,800 group of the synonyms comprehensions. And also learn Chinese through the trio of the summary movie, learn Chinese through the 10 minutes summary books, and also learn Chinese through the children's stories and so on. Blah blah. More courses are coming. And also the classical Chinese like Lao Tzu and Art of War, the 孙子兵法. More courses on languages are coming. Chinese as a first language, Bahasa Malay, Bahasa Malaysia as second language for foreigner, English as a second language, and more course, something like the Tai Chi, fitness, and Qigong. Remember, it's more than just a course, a book, it is a system. See you in my course through my edu.biz, Lego Mandarin, or Udemy. Or you can scan the QR code to access to my different platform. See you there. 再见。